Hi friends, and welcome back to another lesson with me. We are back at it again with verbs. Today I have a very fun exercise that we are going to do together. Are you ready? Awesome. Let's go to our board. So, what we're doing today is we are figuring out, is this one or more than? Is it one or more than one? Let's look at number one. A prize. Is a prize one or more than? Let's look at our keyword, a. So, does this make it one or more than? That's right. It makes it one. Great job, guys. Let's go on to number two. Peanuts. Is peanuts one or more than? Taking note of the is. Does that make it one or more than one? Exactly, more than. So we're going to circle more than. Let's go on to number three, the bears. Is the bears one or more than? Let's focus our attention on is and the. Does this make it one or more than? That's right. It is more than. Great job, guys. We are doing awesome. Let's move on. Number four. A baby. Is it one or more than? Let's focus on Is it one or more than? That's right. It is one. Awesome, guys. Last one. The boys. Is the boys one or more than? Let's focus on the is. Does that make it one or more than? That's right. It becomes more than. So, let's look at the key points that we highlighted to help us with this exercise. A means it's one. A in front of any object makes it one. Hence us saying it is one and not more than. Peanuts and bears and boys have one thing in common. They all end with is, which means it is more than one. Notice how the bear starts with the. Sometimes when we start with the, it can mean one. But because we ended our bears with an S, it becomes more than one. And like I said, any A before an object makes it a one. So let's do the opposite of these. A prize, prizes. would be more than one. Peanuts, peanut. The bears, the bear. A baby, babies. See how we took away a? The boys, the boy. Great job, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this other exercise on verbs. See you again next time. Bye.